Product type: Nature Made Prenatal with Folic Acid plus DHA, prenatal vitamin and mineral supplement for daily nutritional support. Contains 160-count bottle of Nature Made Prenatal multivitamin with 200 mg DHA softgels for a 60-day supply. Supports baby development and mom's health with folic acid and 19 other nutrients. Supports baby's brain health, bone health, eye health, and nervous system. Adults should take 1 prenatal vitamin softgel daily with water and a meal for optimal absorption. Made in the USA with quality global ingredients. Gluten-free and contains no artificial flavors. United States Pharmacopeia, USP. Verified. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, so please check compatibility before purchasing. Description: Nature Made Prenatal with Folic Acid and DHA softgels are specially formulated multivitamins for prenatal support. They contain folic acid, 19 other nutrients, and 200 mg DHA to support a baby's brain, nervous system, bones, and eyes, as well as mom's health. This gluten-free supplement is made with high-quality ingredients and contains no artificial flavors. It also includes all 8 B vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Clinically proven absorption of folic acid and iron ensures optimal benefits. To use, adults should take 1 softgel daily with water and a meal. Nature Made is a brand you can trust, as their supplements are tested and verified by the United States Pharmacopeia. For more information, visit the USP verified website. Additional information. Short link: https://amzn.to/47ptwpd